There's a whole field that has to do with chronic anxiety and chronic depression. And these, it turns out, are to a very large degree diseases of thought regulation. And so when you get into thinking particular kinds of thoughts without being aware that you're thinking those kinds of thoughts, it drives a certain kind of reality, and then you get stuck in that reality. Then you wind up with either panic attacks on the one hand, or what's called depressive rumination that drives you down into like darkness
Hmm.
and depression.
I'm
And
familiar with
and
that.
there's a huge amount of medical literature and really fairly rigorous studies that suggest that you don't have to replace those negative thoughts with positive thoughts, that was kind of like the old-fashioned, the power of positive thinking and so forth. But dealing with difficult thoughts with other thoughts is actually um, a zero-sum game. But when you actually put the welcome mat out for your thoughts and then you identify them as thoughts rather than as the reality,
Hmm.
they kind of it's like touching a soap bubble. The Tibetans would say it self-liberates. You don't have to do anything. The awareness itself sees what's going on, and then you're free from that. You don't have to pursue it. And the more you practice mindfulness and stay in the present moment and see thoughts as thoughts and emotions as emotions and sensations in your body as sensations, the more they don't drive your moment-to-moment experience, because what's really going on is awareness itself. And then you have like uh, degrees of freedom you didn't even believe you had.